Okay, let's do one more exercise, and this time I'm going to use the, if you remember we did the leap year, we find if is a leap year, and we have been doing this or most of the time when we were writing this these other fundamentals exercise. And today I'm going to use the method to do that. So I'm just showing you how to use the method to do that. So this is going to be exercise number 37, yes, and just check this box here for the main method, and let's see. I should be, yeah, if you type the number then you get this error, so this one should be EX, and then we're done. And let's see, and this time let's loop, let's say from 2000 to 2018, and let's loop, see if we have a leap year. So for loop, and as you remember, you have for loop. So int year, we start with the year. This is how we create the for loop, and we give it is equal to, let's say, 2000, where we want to begin. And what we want to do, then you say year should be less or equal to 2018, see, and then we want to add one through the loop. We want to increment by 1 year, so we're going to say year plus plus. Okay, so this is how you get this is the how it's supposed to be done when you are looping from 2000 to 2018. So, and here I can just put the, what do I want what do I want it to be printed. See, so even though I haven't created the method, but I can just type this method here, so later on I'll create this method down here. So I'll just say string builder, and here I'm going to call string dot val of, and I will just pass the year here. Okay, and then I will append dot append has, and then we append dot not yet dot append, let me append a number of days in a year, which is my method. I'm going to say number of days in a year. And I'll pass the year here, and then to string, to string, and something is wrong here. Yep, so now we have to create this method here, and it's just simple. You type public static int number of days in a year, okay, it's complaining, remove argument math. Yep, so still you have this error because we have the argument here, and here we don't have any argument. So I'm going to pass int year here, and this should be fine now. Yep, and down here I want to return, yeah, actually I have to use the boolean, and I'm going to create the function that it's a boolean type. So I'm going to say return. I can just type this. This is a little bit tricky, but I'm I'm going to use this is leap, and you can guess what I'm trying to do here. We have 365, so I can say it's 365, and also we have the 300. Long ear is 366, so I can ask just like that. Okay, but I don't have this function here, so I have to create this function. And because if you see is means this is the boolean function, it's going to return boolean, so we have to do the we can just type static boolean is leap year, and you can, as you can imagine, we assume that there's this function. We have to pass something like, which is int year. Okay, and then what do we have to do to return? We have to return the year. Here's the logic: year module. We have done this 400 equals to 0, or we're just giving the condition now: year module 4 equal to 0, end. Okay, use end here, end year module 100 should not be equal to what? To 0, semicolon. So if we save and run this program, we can see made a mistake. Just that we need to give a space so that you see it very clear. Run it again. Okay, you can see. So this is the main idea what I wanted to show you guys. So you can see 2000 has these days, 2001 has this 365, and the logic is here. We have been using this ternary a lot, so which is you are asking. It's a little bit complex here, but it's a good way of learning this programming. So you say return is leap year, is not leap year, and you ask the question. So the first is going to be true and this is going to be false, and this is the boolean is here. We pass the here, okay, and we are looping from here. See, so when we loop, every loop, because we are going one by one, so I mean it's going to start from, because we say less or equal to 2000, it's going to be 2000. So 2000 will be passed here, and it will be checked with this, and then it will return to this, and it will check this. If it's true, it will show this one. If it's false, it will show this one. Thank you guys. Remember, subscribe and like, and bye bye.